Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make caramel rolls. First, gather your ingredients for the dough, including warm milk, yeast, sugar, and flour. Activate the yeast in the warm milk with a pinch of sugar until foamy. Then, combine it with the remaining dry ingredients and knead until smooth and elastic. This foundational step ensures a light and airy texture for your finished rolls. Once your dough has risen beautifully, gently punch it down and transfer it to a lightly floured surface. Roll it out into a rectangle, aiming for about 12 by 18 inches. Next, generously spread 2/3 of a cup of softened butter across the entire surface. Then, sprinkle a delightful mixture of 1 cup of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon over the butter, ensuring full coverage. Carefully roll the dough tightly from one of the long sides, creating a neat log. Use a sharp knife or unflavored dental floss to slice the log into 12 to 15 individual rolls, each about 1 1/2 inches thick. Arrange these rolls in a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish, leaving a little space. Cover and let them rise again for about 30 to 45 minutes until they look puffy. While the rolls are on their second rise, prepare your luscious caramel topping. Melt 1/2 cup of butter with 1 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of heavy cream in a saucepan. Bring it to a gentle boil, then pour this warm, gooey caramel evenly over your risen rolls. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes until golden brown. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.